and that there is liquidity in the economy to fuel the growth that is required.
Ms. Gopinath, it's been a pleasure, personally as well. Pleasure having you. Thank you so much for being a part of this GLS, the Global Leadership Summit. We wish you the very best.
Thank you so much.
On the sidelines of CNBC TV18's Global Leadership Summit and CNBC TV18 celebrating 25 years of leadership, we are joined in by Santosh Iyer of Mercedes-Benz. Welcome to CNBC TV18.
Thank you. Thanks for having me here on this occasion.
Santosh, let's begin this conversation by asking you, what is your message for CNBC TV18 today as we celebrate 25 years?
I think the last 25 years, India has really seen, economic development in leaps and bounds, and CNBC has been playing a pivotal role in that, in not only capturing what's happening, but also setting the agenda, setting the tone, and also taking the industry voice to stakeholders. The clear expectation is to continue the good work that has happened for the next 25, and I think this coming decades will be one of the bigger, India is poised to leapfrog, and CNBC TV18 will for sure, also be part of this journey with the industry.
And if I may ask you, what role has CNBC TV18 played in your journey as a leader, in Mercedes-Benz journey in the country?
Wow, I have a lot of fond memories. I joined this company in Mercedes-Benz in 2009, and the first time we did partnerships with CNBC at that point of time, I remember Michael Schumacher coming to India and Shireen catching up with Michael on the only interview which happened in India with Michael Schumacher was with CNBC. So, and it's a bit dichotomy, right? Business channel for a race car driver, but I think that interview still brought on a lot of facets of Michael Schumacher, which maybe any other interview would not have. And so on and so forth. I think CNBC and Mercedes-Benz have, grown symbiotically over a period of time. I keep saying India should also, like the MAC index, India can also have a Mercedes-Benz index where, you capture the growth of HNIs with how Mercedes-Benz is also doing in India. But I think it's been a great journey and wish CNBC all the best.
That was such lovely, kind words, Santosh. But having said that, how do you foresee India's growth story over the next 25 years, and what role do you think Mercedes-Benz is going to play over the next 25 years in this growth story?
See, I am also an optimist, and I also believe on the story of Viksit Bharat. And it has a lot of, I will not go into the details on why it will grow, but I would just like to also put a bit of caution, because, we cannot assume that the demographic dividend and, the multiplier effect will come by itself. I think all of us, including industry and policymakers, will need to play a role to make it happen, because all of this needs to come together finally. We have also been hearing about the story for some time. And we have seen post-COVID, actually, we have really seen a big flip. But I think the best is yet to come, but we all need to make it happen. It won't happen by itself.
And finally, a birthday message and a wish for CNBC TV18 as we grow 25 years old.
As I said, I can only wish the entire CNBC TV18 team has a lot of passion for what you guys do. Also, a lot of authentic reporting, giving insights. Please continue the great work, and I can wish the entire team all the best.
Thank you so much. Thanks for joining us today.
We are at the red carpet of CNBC TV18 Global Leadership Summit, and joining me now is CS Vigneshwar. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us, and thank you